I thought I had already seen everything Temu had to offer, the normal coupons, the regular discounts, the standard free gift page. Then one day, I opened the app and started seeing offers I'd never seen before. Different rewards, bigger coupon bundles, extra free gift opportunities. And my first thought was, wait, where were these hiding? At first I assumed it was luck. Maybe Temu was running a special promotion. Maybe everyone was seeing the same thing. Turns out they weren't. So I started comparing. Same app, same account, different setup. The biggest difference, the code I activated at the beginning. Before that, I was doing what most people do. Open Temu, browse products, maybe enter a random code later, and honestly, the offers felt basic, nothing special. Then I activated the code on screen first, before browsing, before searching, before clicking anything. And suddenly the app started unlocking things I wasn't seeing before. More coupon bundles, bonus reward offers, extra free gift opportunities, even limited time deals that weren't showing up earlier. That's when I realized something. The hidden offers aren't really hidden. Most people just never trigger them because they're busy testing random codes that barely activate anything. Meanwhile, the code on screen was the first one I found that consistently opened up stronger reward paths. And the crazy part, the more I explored after activating the code, the more offers kept appearing. It felt less like finding one reward and more like opening a door to multiple rewards at once. Now let's keep this real. Does every account see the exact same hidden offers? No. Can some rewards vary? Absolutely. But if you're trying to unlock the better coupon bundles and stronger free gift opportunities, the code on screen made a bigger difference than any secret trick I tested, because at the end of the day, the hidden offers weren't hiding from me. I was just activating the wrong things. Activate the code on screen first and see what appears in your app. You might discover offers you didn't even know existed.